Good morning, class 2 students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I'm your English teacher, Miss Farah. Okay, as you know that we are dealing with Unit 1 evergreens in your textbook, as well as we have done some work on workbook. But today we are going to discuss some worksheets, and along with these worksheets we will do our text work. Here, your first worksheet is over here, a picture description. Look at the picture. First, I will complete with you this picture, means how to complete or how to do a work on worksheet. Firstly, I will do, and after that, you will be able to do by yourself. This is your picture. Write a few lines about the given picture by using nouns. Clear? Means you have to write some description, describe this picture, some lines about the picture. I have done for you. Look at the board. Worksheet 1, picture description. Okay, what you will see on this picture. In this picture, we can see some children are playing. The common thing. Look at the picture. In this picture, we can see some children are playing. Clear? Lot of children are there. They are playing different games. These children are playing this game. These two girls are playing different game. One boy and girl over here. Okay. First, a common thing is they are playing. One line. In this picture, we can see some children are playing. Okay. Number 2. Two girls are playing with sand and trying to make something. Look. Two girls are over here. They are playing with the sand and they are trying to make something with the sand. Clear? Okay. Look at the picture. One boy is pulling a cart with a girl. A girl is sitting in that cart. The next line is one boy is pulling a cart with a girl. Clear? Okay. Again, what you can see? Two boys or three boys. Two boys or three girls are enjoying a game by holding their hands. They are playing a different game. Two boys and three girls are enjoying game by holding their hands. Clear? Okay, again have a look on a picture. The weather is pleasant. We can see clouds in the sky. We can see clouds in the sky. The weather is pleasant and we can see clouds in the sky. Means it's up to you. In picture description, you can write by yourself. Means your wording, your own wording should be there. Your own views should be there. Your own thinking should be there about the picture. I have written over here by this picture or according to this picture as a sample for you. You can write by yourself. You can change these sentences by according to your mind. Means the children are playing in the street. There are houses in front of the street or in front of the houses the children are playing. The sentences should be like. Okay, we have done worksheet 1. Now it's time to complete the worksheet 2. Okay, in worksheet 2 there is a comprehension passage given over here, and you have to read out this passage carefully 2 or 3 times to complete or to give the answer of these questions that is given below. Clear? Okay. Read the passage and answer the questions. And actually, the worksheet is about a birthday party. And the name of that boy or that guy is Omar. There is a birthday party of Omar. Okay, let's read the passage. It was Omar's birthday party. He was having a party at his house. Clear? One thing, there is a birthday party of Umar and the party is on at his house. He was having a birthday party at his house. Clear? Umar helped his mom and dad to set up balloons and tables. For what? He is helping his mom or dad to set up the tables or balloons for what? For his birthday. Okay. When the kids came, they played interesting games. Then he blew out 8 candles and they all ate cake. How many candles? He blew out 8 candles and after that they ate cake. The full passage is in past tense. Why? Because it has done. Okay. Next, he opened gifts given by his friends and family. The best gift was a friendship bracelet given by his friend. Look at the passage. The best gift was a friendship bracelet given by his friend. Ahmed last, the kids went home and he said thanks to his parents for arranging the best birthday party for him. Who is giving a thanks to his parents? Umar. Because Umar's birthday party is going on, his parents arranged a very beautiful birthday party at his house. Again, read the passage. It was Umar's birthday party. He was having a party at his house. Umar helped his mom and dad to set up balloons and tables. When the kids came, they played interesting games. Then he blew out 8 candles and they all ate cake. Next, he opened gifts given by his friends and family. The best gift was a friendship bracelet given by his friend. Ahmed last, the kids went home and he said thanks to his parents for arranging the best party for him. Who gave bracelet? Ahmed. And at last, who thanks to his parents? Omar. Okay, there are some questions given below and we will complete or we will do the answer of these questions. The first question is, where did Umar have his birthday party? Where did Umar have his birthday party? He was having a party at his house. He was having a party at his house. Okay. Next question. What did the kids do after they played interesting game? Look at the passage again. What did the kids do after they played the different games? He blew out 8 after that he blew out 8 candles and they all ate cake. This is the answer of question number 2. He blew out 8 candles On worksheet 2, we have done 4 questions. Okay. Question number 5 is make sentences with following words. 2 words are given on the worksheet. The first one is helped, played. Okay, you will write the sentences by your own. Very simple sentences I have made for you. Okay. Helped. Umar helped his parents. According to the passage that is given on worksheet 2, Umar helped his parents. Okay. Number 2, played. Umar played with his friends during his birthday party. You have learned. Okay. No need to write lengthy sentences. Very simple wording or simple sentences should be there. Helped, you will write by your own. I have made for you. Umar helped his parents. Played, Umar played with his friends. Okay, question number 6 is on worksheet 2, means last question is match the words with their correct meanings. Words are given over here and the meanings are given. You have to match these with the correct meaning. The first one is glue. Okay, organize something? No. Holding or catching attention? No. Pushed something using air from mouth. When you blow air from your mouth, that is called blow or blew. The second form of blow is blew. So the correct meaning is the last one. Pushed something using air from mouth. Okay, arranging. Simple. Organize something. To match this first one. Organize something. The first one is with the last. Okay, and the second one is with the first. Organize something. Interesting, holding or catching attention. Interesting, holding or catching attention. I hope you will enjoy both worksheets. These are very interesting. The picture description is very interesting as well as the comprehension is also very interesting. We have gone through the passage carefully, or we have done the question answers, 4 question answers. We have done 2 sentences or the matching column. 3 words are given over here and we have matched these with the correct meaning. Okay, after that, along with the text, along with the units, we will do some more worksheets and you will do by yourself. Okay, I have just give you to complete this one and after that you will complete by your own.